Coco, do you know what today is?
It's Boxycharm.
It is Boxycharm Day, but it's also Ipsy Day. Ipsy Day too. Ipsy and Boxycharm. We're gonna go over both today, y'all. Hey everybody, we're back if you're new. Thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco, the co-host. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today is Ipsy Day and Boxycharm Day. These have been sitting on the counter for probably a good week now, and I just figured we might as well do them at the same time. We've never done Ipsy versus Boxy video, but we're, you know, it's got to start sometime. I don't know why my box has a sticker on it this time. It could be because I've done add-ons and I've never done add-ons before, but I don't know. This is new to me. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Let's go ahead and jump into the Boxycharm box first, y'all. And before I get wrapped up in everything, lipstick of the day is this Pat McGrath Lady Stardust, and almost my entire face was done with this Hen Dash palette. If you want to check that video out, subscribe, because I think this video will go out before the Hen Dash, but that palette is pretty cool actually. Anyway, let's jump into this, y'all. Boxycharm Flourish. Got some flowers on here. Let's see, first thing I'm grabbing is Haze Smokey Eye Pencil. This is in the shade Forest. This is from Tint Beauty. I think it's Tint, T-Y-N-T Beauty. This retails for $18. I'm not really big on eyeliner pencils. I use black eyeshadow to line my lids, and definitely am not ever going to use green. So I'm not going to swatch this. I will probably post this with something else on like Poshmark or something. I'll put my Poshmark below, but I know I'm definitely never going to use this. The next thing we got is this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's a glow wand. Retails for $27. I normally use Tarte Shape Tape. I use the shade Light Medium Honey. I think we got to pick the shade we wanted, right? And I think I picked this. Let's see if these are even similar shades, because I have no clue. This one looks a little bit darker than my normal, but I mean, it'll still work. And it has this thing here that I will never use, but it's there. It's there. Don't know, what is the difference between the normal and the glow? Is there an actual difference, a different formula and everything? I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna use this even if I don't use it for under my eyes. Y'all know I love, whoa, what are you doing? You getting feisty over here, girl. Y'all know I love concealer and the Velvetizer as eyelid primer. So I'm happy that I got this. I'm gonna throw that in there with my other concealers right now. Then we got this First Aid Beauty. I see this, and I think I've actually seen this specific one, exact one, at TJ Maxx before. This retails for $30. This is formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. This complex enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping the appearance of blurring your pores. So it's a hydrating primer. I don't know if I'm going to use this. It's still sealed shut. I don't know if I like using my lotions and moisturizers and then going in. I have a pretty normal routine. I don't know if I want a moisturizing primer. I don't know. We'll save this and think about it, but this might end up on my Poshmark also. Not even gonna lie. But the thing that I am super duper happy about is this bad boy here. And y'all, have a funny story about one of my add-ons, but we'll get into that in a second. But this, because when I opened it up, I was just like, holy crap, that thing is gorgeous. I'm surprised it took me this long to do the video, because I've been wanting to swatch this. This is Cab Cosmetics. Uh-oh, Coco's dropping her stuff here. It is a day and night eyeshadow palette. Retails for $52. You know what? It's beautiful, so I'm not... $52 seems kind of expensive. Use cardboard packaging. Magnetic, it is magnetic closure, but it's still cardboard. $52 seems kind of expensive, but the color story on this bad boy is absolutely gorgeous. Like, just looking at it, I am seeing every shade that I love except for a black shade. If there was a black eyeshadow in here, this would be a true travel palette for me, because y'all know this whole top row, these browns, the shimmers, even this middle row, all of this. And I even love shades like this to go under my eyebrows to kind of blend it. If I don't use the velvetizer, I like to put something under there. And this shade is perfect for that. I don't know how much I would use this shade, but I still find it to be just freaking gorgeous. It's so pretty, I almost don't want to swatch it. Oh, and look, this shade is called Cocoa. Cocoa! This shade's called Cocoa. That's Cocoa shade.
Yeah.
You want to swatch it? Okay. Swatch one.
Pink.
Pink. Okay. Do your swatch on your arm. On your arm. She's got to find a place because she's been swatching a lot today. Let's see. Oh, that's nice, Cocoa. Thumbs up for Cocoa. Thumbs up for Cocoa. Okay, y'all, let's jump into it because I'm rambling. This shade, it is really beautiful. It's, oh my God, it's, let's do this one too. Oh, those shimmers are creamy. Cocoa swatched one. Hey, buddy, do this one here. And then let's do this one too. Look. Okay, y'all, this is what that looks like, and she is pretty, y'all. I am not mad at it. Kind of would have liked this shade to have a little bit more color payoff, but I mean, in general, it's still really pretty. Oh yeah, this one. This is Hot Toddy Before Ironing. It is a heat protecting mist. I will definitely not use this. This is from the Dry Bar, and this retails for $27. When it comes to hair care products, I have certain products, certain brands that I stick to, and I don't really put heat on my hair. Well, I think when I looked this up, you're supposed to spray this like on your hair before you flat iron or curl it. I don't do any of that. I will literally never use this, so this may also be something that ends up on Poshmark or in a giveaway because I will never use this. Oh yeah, oh, those are nice swatches. Okay, let's show everybody. Look at Coco's swatches. Good job. Oh, let's show my man. Okay, y'all, funny story about this. This is Vanity Makeup Sculpt and Glow Palette Tan Trio. So this kept popping up on my Instagram as like an ad, and I was just like, oh, that looks really cool. And I actually DM'd them and asked if they like wanted to do a collab with me and pretty much just send me the product for free and I would make the video out of it. And they never responded. But luckily I saw this on the add-ons and it was like $9 or $7. It was like super cheap compared to the price you actually pay on their website. So I was like, okay, I'll give it a try. But the ad it's very intriguing when you see it, and they have like this brush. It's very, very creamy. They have this brush, might be kind of yellow for me, that they recommend using. I don't know, that's pretty dark. I think they have like a light and a medium and a dark, and I went for the middle one. Let's just swatch it down here. I don't know. The highlighter is actually really pretty. Let's blend it and then see how fast this actually dries, or if this actually dries. I need to use some more of that highlighter so I can see how it looks. The highlighter is actually really, really pretty, but I do like for my cream products to dry to powder. So let's give that a second and see how well that actually does. It is drying. It's not dry all the way, but it's drying pretty quickly. And then I did get the Venus 3. I have the Venus XL that I got at TJ Maxx that I absolutely love. I did a video on that one. That palette is freaking gorgeous. So I did have to get this. I did have the Prelude, and the Prelude has the same kind of packaging. I will say I don't love the packaging. I don't love bulky packaging. I feel like it's overkill. Although it's pretty and it's cute, and I see like the look that they're going for. It's also just kind of like, do we really need this thick packaging? And then my thing is, when you go to close it, it does this and you have to do that. That's a nitpicky thing that I'm doing. Oh no, you know what? A couple minutes have gone by and it's not dry. You're definitely, well, it gives you time to work with it. I don't know. Maybe I will do a review on this. Y'all let me know, even though they didn't want to give me anything for free or hook your girl up. I'll be so glad when the time comes that companies just send me stuff. If that time ever comes, I will be grateful for it. versus me reaching out to companies and them completely ignoring me, and I just am like, oh yeah, I forgot, I'm a loser. Yaya's in the hallway calling me a loser now. Okay, anyway, this is that palette. Let's take the plastic off. She's pretty, and I feel like because I have the mama, I need to have the baby, right? I have the Venus XL, I need the baby Venus. So this is gorgeous. Look at this rosy mauve. Oh my God, that's pretty. Let's do this one too. Oh, she feels nice. She feels nice. Look at this one too. Oh my God, bliss. Oh, let's do the purple. Oh, Coco needs to look at that purple. Oh my gosh. Okay, Coco's swatching the purple too. Okay, let's swatch them.
Purple one.
Purple one. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Look how beautiful that is. Purple. Look at this. Y'all, I am so in love right now. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Next eyeshadow palette I use will be that. Like, this is going to stay on my desk because I am definitely, the next time I do my makeup, I will be using this palette. I will 100% be using this frickin', you know what? This literally made my day, okay? I don't have very much lime crime. I have 3 palettes, the 2 that I've mentioned, and then this one I don't have much. That might be all I have that's lime crime, and I actually really love their stuff, so I should probably look into getting more. Okay, y'all, let's jump into Ipsy, and I will link Ipsy and Boxycharm below. I do have like a code. If you use it, I think I get like points or something. I've never turned my points in, but they're just in there adding up, and eventually maybe I'll find something good, but normally I feel like everything's just so overpriced in the charm room or whatever it is. Anyway, let's go over the first thing I see is this Avant here. The value of $122. I've gotten their products before, and I'll be honest, I don't actually care for them because they're scented, and I don't care for scented skincare products, so I am not going to use this at all. I already know I'm not. This is a primer. A few drops of this primer will make your makeup wear flawlessly for hours. It softens rough patches, blah, blah, blah. Apply this after moisturizing. I'm not really a fan of it's sealed closed. I'm just not a fan of their products. This will probably be a giveaway or a Poshmark item. Like I said, I'll link my Poshmark below. Then let's go to the other thing that I know I'm probably not going to keep. This is the Lactic Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Okay, y'all, and this is the bag. It's a cute bag this month. It's like got a rose pattern outline. Coco loves flowers, so you know Coco will like this. But this is full size, $20. I just feel like, honestly, I have so many glosses, so many lip oils, lip tint oils, and balms, and everything else that I probably won't use this one. It's kind of cool though, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. You can see like the rose petals in there. Just like I don't need another one. So this will be a giveaway or a Poshmark item also. Y'all know I do get like the add-ons at Ipsy. Like I like to get like the $3 add-ons. So I do have 2 add-ons this month. We did get the Violet Voss palette. I don't remember what this looked like, but this retails for $18. Eyeshadow palette. She is pretty. Look at this, y'all. The color story seems really similar to the Venus, just with these shimmers and these tones, but she is absolutely freaking gorgeous. Look at this shade here. Look at this. Look at that. I gotta swatch that one. I have to. Let's do this gold too, because I have to do this gold. And then let's do this matte here. You know what? The matte's actually pretty creamy. And I feel like I'm tired of like finding eyeshadows and the mattes are not creamy. I like a nice, oh, that's beautiful too. I like a nice creamy matte. Look at this, y'all. She's freaking gorgeous. Like, that is beautiful right there. I'm actually pretty happy with this palette. I mean, I'm not going to use this before I use that Venus palette, but this will be, you know, one of the next few palettes that I use. Venus will be the next one, but this is up there because this is my kind of color story and I love it. Let's see. We didn't go over the card that we got. This is Flower Power. I'm not going to read this. The cards don't tell me anything, but that's because they don't tell you anything anymore. I did pick the Dr. Brandt. Y'all know I love me some Dr. Brandt, okay? This is the Pour No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. That's a frickin' mouthful. Okay, so this is full size, retails for $42. What it does is clogged pores meet your worst enemy. You just apply a thin layer to your skin, massage until the beads fully break up, leave on for about 10 minutes and then rinse off. So cool soap, not mad at it. You know, I picked that, but I love Dr. Brandt, so I'm happy with that one. Then we got this Honeydew. It was $37. Soothes lines and reduces redness. Let's see what it says here. It's an eye serum, lightweight, incredibly powerful. Morning or night massage a small amount under or around your eyes. I picked this because I feel like as I'm getting older, less sleep, I'm getting some puffiness in there, and I don't want that. So, and wrinkles also, that, that happens with age. So I did pick this, and I'm excited to use this one. The next thing we got was this. This was an add-on that was $3 or $6 or something. This is from the Beauty Crop Stuck On You Eye Primer. Now, y'all know I don't use eyeshadow primers, but I was intrigued by this one, which is why I got it. This one retails for $17 regularly. It says this is a full size. If I can open it. Okay, so this is what that looks like. It says, wear it under your favorite cream or powder eyeshadows. This eye primer prevents pigment from creasing, fading, flaking, blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Let's rub some on here.
Hello, hi. I'm doing my part.
Yeah, I don't know. It does have kind of like a white cast to it. Let's see if the swatch looks different on there versus on here. Let's go with the same gold that's right there, but put it on the primer. I don't feel like it shows up any better. I don't know. I don't know what that test was supposed to do, but we just tested it. Anyway, I also see here it says promo code Ipsy30 to receive 30% discount on your order. So I guess if you want to order something, you could always use that code. Then the last thing we got was this Pixie. It is a deluxe sample size. This is in the shade Peony Bloom. It's super pretty. It's a Lip Lift Max. This sheer gloss treatment leaves your lips juicy and plump without using harsh or irritating ingredients. Oh, so it's a lip plumper. I didn't realize it was a lip plumper. Don't necessarily love lip plumpers, but I don't dislove them either. Let's swatch this if I can figure out how to open it. I hate all of the weird packaging where you have to figure out like where to untie and whatever. I get the concept of packaging, but sometimes I'm just like, can we make it a little bit easier? Anyway, she's pretty. Doesn't look like it would be a very sheer lip balm or lip gloss, but I do like this shade a lot, actually. I'm not mad. And deluxe sample size, I feel like this is a good size. This would last me for a very, very long time. Anyway, that's all of the stuff that we got from Ipsy and Boxycharm combined. We have a battle of the boxes this month. I feel like with both, sometimes you get good things and sometimes you get things that you'll never ever use. And it's kind of a give and take. Sometimes you get things that are so amazing that it makes these other little things not so bothersome to you. But all in all, I feel like I got something good and something useful from both my boxes, and I'm happy with overall everything that I got. And if I don't use it, I can put it in a giveaway or in Poshmark, or I can either try to get some money back for it, or I have a giveaway item so I don't have to go and buy something to put in the giveaway. So I'm happy in general. I know a lot of people complain. I'm not going to complain. I'm happy with everything that I get from them. Anyway, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things. Bye!